Want to stop sneezing? Here are 6 natural tips. Drinking plenty of water can help keep your nasal passages moist and reduce irritation. Inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water or taking a hot shower can help clear irritating, blocked nasal passages and loosen mucus. Using a saline nasal spray or performing nasal irrigation with a saline solution can help clear out irritants, allergens, and excess mucus. Inhaling the aroma of peppermint oil or applying diluted peppermint oil topically to the chest helps alleviate sneezing and provides relief from nasal congestion. Consuming locally sourced honey may help desensitize your body to pollen allergens, potentially reducing allergic